Hey everyone, hope you are doing well and staying safe at your home. We all have noticed that today's priority is to be mindful in present moment despite of all external distraction which alter our ability to concentrate, and same with kids also. Scattered energy doesn't help and we need to be very calm and focused by channelizing our energy. So first of all, we have to train our brain. In this video, we will show you 4 basic balancing poses which will bring our awareness to the present moment and will help us to concentrate. So all parents out there, begin with yourself. Encourage your kids by challenging them to perform these yoga poses with you. Let's get started. Hop on your mat. Tadasana. Inhale and raise your hands. Now interlock your fingers and place them on your head. Lift the heels and stretch your hands towards the ceiling. Breathe and keep extending your hands to the sky. Focus your gaze on one spot and you can internally find the equilibrium. Exhale, bring the heels down and release the fingers. Relax. Tiryak Tadasana. Keep the feet shoulders width apart. Inhale, raise your hands and interlock your fingers on top of your head. Stretch your hands towards sky and now exhale, bend towards right slowly. Focus your gaze on one spot and there you go. You are very close to collectedness. Inhale, come to the center and now exhale, swing to other side. As I said, focus is most significant. So honing your attention allows you to concentrate so much better. Let's hit the center again. And now release your hand slowly and come back to the first position. And yes, relax. Vrikshasana. Bring the right foot against your left thigh. Get in Namaskara position and stretch your arms up towards sky. Stay calm and stable. Try to balance this position as long as you can. Release your hands and ease your right leg down. Repeat to other side. Do not let your gaze wander and your thoughts too. Find a still non-moving point at your eye level and focus your gaze. Stay calm and steady. Hold it for longer time and now release the position slowly. Garudasana. Cross your right thigh over left thigh and hook the right foot behind the left calf and create a lock. Wrap your elbows and wrist in such a way that whichever leg is on top, opposite arm should be on top. Now release this position slowly. Come back to the first position and let's repeat to other side. Cross your left leg around right leg and wrap your hands the way I told you. Focus on any point in front of you and hold this position as long as you can. Practice this balancing pose daily to get better at concentration. And you will be an expert very soon. Keep practicing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Practice these basic asanas daily and increase the difficulty level to Shirshasana, Bakasana and handstand. Perform Brahmani Pranayama daily to achieve stability. Let me know in comment section which yoga video you would like to watch next. Like, share, subscribe and spread the love. Toodles! See you on mat.